Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix OPPO Reno 15F Wi-Fi not connecting. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and forget the network. This is the first step. We're going to go over into the settings now, and we're going to Wi-Fi. Now in the Wi-Fi, we're going to click on the eye icon near our network, click on forget, so the middle button, not the disconnect, and click remove. Now this network is forgotten, so now we can choose a network. So this is the same network but 5 gigahertz. What are we going to do here is we're going to reconnect and simply enter the password now. Once we enter the password, we can click save and it should let us into the network. As you guys can see, we are connected. Now what we can do next is simply restart our phone to refresh the system. So let's press the power button, the volume up button, and we want to restart the phone just by swiping up or by holding the power button, the volume up button, until the screen goes black. So both of the methods work. I've used the first one, and now we're waiting for the phone to turn back on. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do as a last resort is go over to the settings. In those settings, we need to scroll down until we see system and update. Here, go to backup and reset, and we're going to click on reset phone, but we're going to click on reset network and Bluetooth settings. So now everything will be deleted from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth and the mobile network. So you'll have to reconnect all of your devices, all of your Wi-Fi networks, and basically this will be the ultimate fix for the issue. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.